Okay, this is how to solve the chapter 6 test number 20. This is the practice test or the pretest for our class. So we are given the instructions that a 500-pound motorcycle is headed up a hill inclined at 12 degrees. What force is required to keep the motorcycle from rolling down the hill when stopped at a red light? So we have two things we're given, 500 pounds and 12 degrees. Now Jason has asked me to not use the projection formula as we've not learned that. In order to do this, you need to know a couple things. The first being that gravity is always 9.8 meters per second, and it's going to be in a down direction. So the first thing you need to do is you need to draw out your equation. So we have our little hill here, and we have theta here, and we have our little motorcycle going up and so the theta is equal to 12 degrees. We have gravity pushing our motorcycle down at 9.8 meters per second, and then we have this our little motorcycle here weighing 500 pounds. So in order to do an equation for physics, you need to convert everything to meters per you need to convert 500 pounds to kilograms. So if you convert that, which you can do with your calculator, so 500 pounds is going to equal approximately 227 kilograms. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to use our slope equation. So sine 12, because opposite over hypotenuse, and we're finding gravity, which is in a downwards direction, and we have the main pole of gravity being at an angle. So sine 12 times our 227 kilometers, so that's our mass, times gravity, which is 9.8 in the downwards direction. Okay, so if you multiply that out, so let me get the calculator. So sine 12 times 227 times 9.8. So that's going to equal about 463 newtons. So now you're going to need to know how to convert newtons to pound force. So the fastest way to so the conversion is 1 newton is about 0.22 pound force, but the one thing you need to know is it changes, I believe. I don't know the conversion, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a Google unit converter. So you get about 104 pounds force, and so that's going to be your answer. And this is how to solve it without the projection equation.